Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning Data Saver on and off on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have a limited data plan, you may not want Facebook to use so much data when loading videos and media. Here is how you can enable Data Saver mode. Open the Facebook app. Then tap the three lines button from the bottom right menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and open Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Preferences and select Media. Here in the Video Quality section is the Data Saver option. Enable this to lower the resolution of videos. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.